When looking at online brokerages in Canada, one of the most common questions investors ask is whether Questrade still offers zero commission trading. The short answer is yes, Questrade does offer commission-free trading, but it comes with specific terms and asset classes that you need to know. Questrade removed all trading commissions for buying and selling both stocks and exchange-traded funds, known as ETFs, listed on Canadian and US markets. Whether you are purchasing individual equities or building a portfolio out of index funds, you will pay zero commission on those trades. In addition to stocks and ETFs, Questrade also offers zero commission trading on US equity options contracts. While there are no base commissions to open or close most standard equity options positions, you still want to keep an eye on contract fees for Canadian options or index options, which typically carry a fixed per contract charge. However, zero commission does not mean entirely free of all minor costs. Depending on how your orders route through the market, Electronic Communication Network, or ECN, fees may apply when your order removes liquidity. Furthermore, other non-trading actions such as trading mutual funds, executing bond trades, or converting currency still carry standard fees. For currency conversions, a standard foreign exchange fee applies unless you manage dual currency accounts or use Norbert's Gambit via journaling. Ultimately, Questrade remains a strong low-cost leader for self-directed investors who want to trade Canadian and US stocks and ETFs without paying per trade commissions. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.